because some people walk around this area. That's another thing.
No, I feel houses, people that live in all this place, like they are old money people. People that their parents were here.
Yes, exactly.
They still stay with their parents or now move. This is like a rejected place. Look at the road.
But then there are some people that work in Alaba and walk around this area. So they stay here. And then there's Lasso here.
Yeah, true.
So there are a lot of students who stay around.
Have we passed straight there?
Yes, we passed straight for Yes, we did.
How far?
This place is funny.
This place is so flooded.
That car is stopped,
How did
man.
they go enter that place?
That car is stopped. Like. These are the type of vehicles you see in this area. Please. This guy is on another level. He's on another level.
They're actually beauty by the
I swear. Guys, maybe to park.
Where is the fuel tank?
Why is this bent to one side? Now.
I've never done
So
one.
guys, we just go. Hey Dari, is your passport stamped?
Yes.
I don't know how I look, but yes, I just stamped my passport. And we're in Benin Republic. We are in Benin. Je m'appelle. Bonsoir. Je m'appelle Wantor Toryem. C'est la vie. C'est la everything. Yeah. So bonsoir. How do they say? Je m'appelle Wantor Toryem. Ask me comment ça va now. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci.
How are you in French?
Comment ça va now? Ça va bien. Merci. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry, babe. So guys, this is where we're going to be staying for. I feel like we should stay here forever. So this is the double bed and this is the parlor. And this is the bathroom. It's so cute. So pretty. I love this place. And it was worth the stress. Like, this place is so beautiful. Look at the wardrobe. Oh my god, the artwork here is blissful. And they have a semi-toilet here. And they have, I said this place is so nice. So nice. Oh my god. I have all this to myself. That's actually a very bad view. So let's see the view. Over here. You can see it. So guys, we're actually trying to eat food, right?
Please, we're keeping at yourself.
Let me see.
We are speaking French. Start. And
Our food is ready.
Je m'appelle Sophia.
Sorry, I can't concentrate. The food is here.
Je m'appelle Wantor Toryem. Comment ça va?
Je m'appelle
Ça va
Dame
bien, merci.
Et vous?
Et vous?
Merci bien.
Oh god, and guys, we're having the time of our life. No, not yet though. But food just
Well,
arrived.
the
And
food
it
really
smells
got here.
good.
It smells like heaven.
It smells
Alright.
good.
I can't wait to munch
But what is
on
this?
this food. We've been waiting since like forever. This is probably so these girls don't know what's going on. Like they don't even know sauce. Let me show you guys.
This is onion sauce, man. Who's doing this with them? Do you like onion?
Yeah.
You're
Your own. I'm still making a video.
Fish is this because I don't understand this fish.
Let me see.
Okay. So this is how. So what is this food called? Onion sauce, right?
I think it's easy to have customer. Why don't people come to this place? I think people do actually.
Maybe they don't have enough ones for.
The stew complemented the sauce complemented the rice. So this is 6,000. It's just chicken. I can't see any rice.
Seriously.
Because I want to know that 6,000 without it. Which can you finish this rice now? And we didn't bring cornflakes. We didn't bring anything. Biscuit, all those stuff. Maybe we'll go out tomorrow. We'll see somewhere to buy. We'll buy fruit. Because this 6,000 sefa. If you spend 6,000 sefa, 2 times in a day. That's basic.
No, you're fine. I really think I need that pepper. The chicken looks yummy.
Yummy.
You don't like the skin? Oh, I love the skin as well. I think people that like the butt love the skin as well. This is my problem. I'm not sure this is for me.
And it's so
I
soft.
swear. So we're actually at our first residence. Hey baby, leave me alone, stop it. Leave me alone. I love dogs though. It actually looks like my dog before the war. But yeah, we're actually at, I can't pronounce the name. I think it's Ihe La Sendia. It's actually very beautiful, and that's our room. Our room is actually up the penthouse. Yeah, just right. So
This is me. It wasn't an easy journey. So day one, Ouidah, we got here like it was very stressful. I've never experienced such stressful. So I advise that if you're coming to Ouidah, you should try not to budget. Don't budget low. Just come with excess cash. So, and then you should plan properly, because I think I didn't plan properly. And I think my travel mates are actually angry, but it's fine.
So
You
in
go there what?
the Love Whiskey, the video, Fino Olamide.
We can't understand. We don't no pal, no bone something.
No,
Say. This man. I'm tired.
Good night, vlog. Good night, vlog in Ouidah. So today was basically it for us because we were basically. I thought someone was coming in here. Yes, it's coming. Don't worry, coming. She's actually naked. Coming. Don't worry. You're covered. So today basically was a trip to Ouidah. So we got to Ouidah at about what time? It was a very stressful one. As I speak, I am very sick. I'm not too well, but I just gotta enjoy myself. I'm just gonna try and enjoy myself. So we had this property here at India. It's actually a very nice property, and I think I already did a room tour, and this is me trying to brush my teeth. Yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna be going to the other property, that is Casa del Papa. Casa del Papa. Yeah. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.